a Newmar Ventana, 4320 sets. Let's look at the outside real quick. Here we have a Dometic refrigerator freezer here on a slide-out tray. And here we have a slide-out tray here. Another big bay here. A half-slide tray there. A little pegboard here, probably in front of your water tank. And here, not sure if this is locked here. Here is your coach batteries and access to your engine there. And here is the rear of the rear tap. So this has a passive steer axle. And got two slides on this side. Someone's messing with the horn here. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Let's check the inside out here. Hey look, it's Marie.
Oh, this was a popular one. It took a few seconds to get everybody through it, and right now it's empty. I do hear the TV on though, and I don't know where the remote is, so we might have a little background noise.
That's fine. Look, this seat here has a folding desk here.
Right.
It folds in place. It has a cordless phone charger here, cup holder here, a fire extinguisher, and what we got over here?
Yeah, so we have the normal backup screen, the radio, the normal controls, the cool controls, the air conditioner. We have a couple doors here, a small one and a big one here. Over here we have a couple of drink holders, so I don't know if there's one over there. We also have our leveling system over here.
And we have a digital dash. And this is a Freightliner chassis.
Right. We have two cameras above the TV set. One has all the electronic controls, your monitoring timer, and various lights at various steps, etc.
And here's a little two-compartment storage bin right here. And let's see, we have the TV set on here right now. And we have some bays storage cabinets here above the TV set, which has its own soundbar.
We have opposing seats. We have a love seat along with a couch across the way that makes out into a bed.
And we have a little cabinet here on the side of the seating right here. Now, let's see, going into the kitchen here.
It's a nice lighted side panel here, so that's kind of neat. We have our sink with
the two-burner induction cooktop.
We have our convection oven above it with a small cabinet.
Well, yes.
Below it, we have a drawer.
Wow, look at all those TV remotes.
Oh my goodness. That's more than I even want to care for batteries. And below that, we have a dishwasher.
Yeah, the top down, I think. No, not that tiny. So we have three drawers right here. Let's see if they're all real.
There's two more remotes.
Two more remotes. And look, we have soft close.
Yep, soft close. We have our sink, which is double sink.
Double sink, yeah.
Along with a nice faucet. We have plenty of space for these utensils, pull-out counter, soft cabinet.
We did this whole cabinet. We missed that one here. All right. Down below, we have one cabinet over here. And looks like we have a sponge holder here.
Sponge holder.
And
we have below
with a $500 trash can. And look at the place to hold some of your sink covers. Oh, they're cute little drawers. This must be only meant for remote control or spices.
Yeah, probably spices would be good for there.
All right, well, now we have a dinette here, booth dinette here. And we got three cabinets over here. And we have lots of competition here. Lots of people in here. It's a busy coach, very popular. Not sure if it's a bunk model or not, but anyway, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets over here. And this bunch couch can be made into a bed. Plus we have this adorable little tent storage area here.
Okay, so we're back in the kitchen area, and this is the refrigerator. It is a two-door refrigerator with a freezer on the bottom. Two doors and a freezer.
And we have a big cabinet up here. This is huge. It's like 2 feet deep.
Yeah, nobody can reach back there except you. Okay, we do have a pantry area over here. So pull out drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. Very nice. And this one, we have some fixed shelves, along with a couple more big drawers here along the bottom.
Kind of a waste of space, though. There's one big area, though. I'm not sure it has something that tall that would warrant.
I mean, I imagine there's stuff like paper towels or something, but then we have something on top of it, and you can't get to the stuff in back. But I'm sure somebody was finding use for it, just not me.
Well, look, we have bunk beds here.
Yes, we have double bunk beds with TV screens. This also can be converted into a closet, as you can see, if you want to fold up the bed. You can also put dog kennels in there and make a workstation out of it.
Okay, and here we have 2 more pull-out drawers here, and closet, and an upper storage here as well.
And a half bath.
Here's the half bath. Right now, they look at we have 1, 2, 3 cabinets here. Well, extra linen storage. We have more electronics than anything here. And look at all the storage here. We have 2 small storage areas here, and a medicine cabinet inside here. So lots of cabinets for a house.
Yeah,
That's pretty little vessel space there.
Lots of storage space. Central vac is down here at the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then here are your lights.
Here's our Newmar touchscreen control center. Here we have a beautiful mirrored finish on the upper part of the bed. Look at that.
You have a drawer along with the electrical outlets.
Mm-hmm.
And
A
we
king-size bed.
4 cabinets above it.
Well,
They are all passed through. There is
Okay.
a plug inside for your pat machine.
I'm not sure how you'd actually access that.
Get a mirror bed frame for anybody that wants to.
Here we have cabinets on the side of the bed, and rotating over here, we have wardrobes on either side. They're nearly identical.
Right.
We have TV in the center, and we have 6 drawers down below.
Yes, one actually is used for the electronics, your DVD player and such, and the other 3 are actual drawers.
Okay, well, it's probably a Blu-ray player. DVD is so yes.
Well, I am so old. Okay. In the bathroom here, we have a shower.
Right? Here's a half-round shower. I'm not a big fan of those, but let's see how it looks like. Ah, the old guillotine here. Wow. Height-wise, this is really dry. But I still don't like the guillotine. I feel like I might cut it off. So, but right now, this is a little disappointing, but it actually has a handheld shower, and it has a rain shower. The rain shower, frankly, for me is useless, but your height may vary. So I did a shower in 9 out of 10.
Okay.
All right?
So for me, it's probably a 10 out of 10 for us normal folks.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Short people.
See? Short people. Just perfect.
All right, what do we got here? It looks like let's see.
We're safe. This is
It's a big closet here with a safe. Let's see. I always wanted to do this. Ah, it feels so much better. I feel like a snowflake now. I feel safe. Well, I felt safe anyway.
You got a drawer, different fake drawers, kind of smaller. 2 drawers here. Again, another fake front.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't like those fake fronts. I know they're trying to make it look good, but.
Big storage area under here.
And then put some medicine cabinet here.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty deep, right?
Nice light up top.
10 inches, yes. This
Yeah.
is right.
Ah, and we have a towel bar over here.
Yeah.
Definitely required item here. And here's a stackable washer and dryer. Pretty nice. And also plus the fact that the shower does have a seat for those people who need it. So we'll always remember to open the doors to adventure.
So all your journeys left.
The RVTs. Have a great day.